Hello, I'm Laura Thurbon, and I'm a professional artist and an art teacher. I've been an art teacher for 25 years, and I'm here in my studio, and I create all my lessons from scratch. So if you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, it doesn't matter. Just come to my lessons, and you're going to see that you can learn how to draw, how to paint, and how to use all these techniques. So let me give you some examples of my lessons. So for example, is how to create a very realistic eye. And what I do is my lessons are step by step. So everybody can get it, no problem. They're very specific lessons, and they are very, very, very good, created for everybody. For example, let me show you some of my color pencil lessons. I have like from very realistic color pencils, and I have some fun. So you can learn how to do realistic everything, even some color techniques, and how to insert your color theory into your art. Also, you can learn how to do watercolor and acrylic. And let me show you a couple of artworks that I have created. These are projects that I have created with my students before. And for example, this is based on Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night, and is Starry Night in Arizona, canvas and acrylic art. And also this is from a memory from my little kids, my little students. You know, I want you to be proud of what you create and being able to hang it somewhere and look at it and say, yeah, I created that. And you just need to have the good, right teacher. So if you want to come to my lessons, and if you want to me to be your teacher, just give me a call, 480-452-9229. And my email address is art@laurathurbon.com. You can see some of my art at laurathurbon.com and laurathurbon.net. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.